Kashmir Valley continues to be in the grip of intense cold. Some days back, there was heavy snowfall, especially in the mountainous areas, and rain in the plains, and that led to temperatures improving. The mercury settled around zero, which was a relief for the locals, but as the skies cleared, as the weather cleared, again intense cold is back. We are on the banks of the famous Dal Lake, and you can clearly see while there's a shikara, which is standing alone but tall. Beautiful scenes here. Definitely some mist, but improvement from the last few days when there was a lot of mist, fog, and today still visibility is better. But it is very cold here also, because normally if you move into Dal Lake in a shikara, you will find that the temperature you'll find dipping. It will be around 2 to 3 degrees lower than the temperature outside Dal Lake. So that's the kind of feel here right now. But overall, good news as far as New Year is concerned, because between 31st and 1st of January, fresh snowfall is predicted. IMD forecast says that there could be heavy snowfall in the mountains, and this time around even the plains could be blessed with some snow activity. So that's a good news as far as people who come for holidays, New Year holidays to Kashmir is concerned. They can see snowfall, which, as I said, if you are during a snowfall, if you are in Kashmir, that's a magical experience. But cold wave is only going to get intensified in the coming days, and especially the first week of January is said to be a period when there could be intense cold. Kashmir could be in deep freeze, and there is not far when this way Dal Lake, you will find that thick sheet of ice enveloping it, and that again is a very different and a beautiful phenomena. But that also will signify the cold that is prevailing in the Kashmir Valley. And we know this mountain cold, it can have its ripple impact, and that could be witnessed across North India, especially Delhi, NCR areas, and also Punjab, Haryana, and the plains of Jammu. Fog is also that is expected in the coming days, dense fog, especially in the morning and evening time in the plains, that could impact surface and air transport. With Campus and Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Dal Lake, Srinagar for India Today.